Venerable Sangha, ladies and gentlemen, I will now read a message from the Prime Minister, Julia Gillard. It is with great pleasure that I send my best wishes to you all for this year's United Nations Day of Vesak celebrations. This day recognises the importance of Vesak to Buddhist communities globally. It is significant that Australian communities celebrate this day along with all the rest of the world, demonstrating that we are part of the global village. Buddhism has a very strong history in Australia and spans many cultural groups. Vesak is an opportunity to celebrate and reflect on the contribution of Buddhist thought to our culture and society. This year's program provides wonderful opportunities for many to learn more about our different faith communities and Buddha's message of peace, goodwill, and compassion. I hope that all participating in the United Nations Day of Vesak celebrations have an enjoyable and uplifting time. Julia Gillard, the Honourable Prime Minister of Australia.